Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to open this 2026 Topps Baseball Series 1. I think this is the value box. I got this pre-ordered last month if I'm not mistaken. So let's see if there's anything good on this. It says right here, it says it has some base card parallels. So let's see what we got on this. So, all right. Okay. So there is actually 6 packs in here. And how many cards in a pack? There's 12 cards. So let me start with this one. Let's see what we got in here. Well, I'm a Dodgers fan, so obviously I'm looking for something. Oh, wow. We have the first one from Blue Jays. This is a nice looking card. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Very nice. Yep. It is a nice looking card. So these are all upside down. Hunter Brown. It's like, oh, Max, finally. This is a nice card for Muncie. Gunnar Henderson, Teoscar Hernandez. Here, rookie card for Kemp. All right. So next we have Victor Scott, and then we have Rangers. We have the Blue Jays right here. This is a nice photo if you are a Blue Jays fan. This is really nice. Nice card. That's their celebration. I think Dodgers has the celebration as well, which is okay. And then Lazaro Estrada rookie card, and then Gunnar Henderson. Okay, next. All right, so let's see what else we got in here. All right. So we have Soto right here. All right. Upside down. Oh, Ronald Acuna Jr. So this is a nice variation. This is a nice variation card. And that's Alvarez right there. So next we have 3 more packs left. I think Mookie Betts right here. This is a good looking card. Very nice. Right here, and then let's see what else we got. Oh, wow, this is a nice card. Aaron Judge, Bichette, and Wilson. Wow. So I'm still looking for, so this is also a nice looking duo card as well. So where is Paul? Mike Trout. So let's, yeah, I'm gonna put this one aside. So they're all base cards. Alex Freeland, Dodgers, And then Hunter Goodman. Okay. And then we have a couple more left. Okay. Vlad. Nice one. This is a nice card. Everything when I see the Blue Jays, it always reminds me of the World Series. It's just like, it's insane. I still remember everything. I could still vividly remember everything. Wow, during the World Series, that was amazing. That was amazing. So what else do we have here? Acosta. And then, okay. Oh, so this is the ticket. I like this for some reason. I like the design of this one. And then for the last pack, all right, James Wood. All right. Okay. Yu Darvish. Taylor. That's it. Yeah, not too bad. So what did we got in here? So we have Vladimir. I like this card for some reason. It's a nice looking card. Plus we have here the duo. Yamamoto and Shohei. Mookie Betts as well. Yeah. So this is what's inside on the value box. So I think it was $25. Is it worth it? I really don't know. Oh well, I saw some Mookie Betts right here. This is actually a nice variation. So yeah, I am still hoping for Shohei though, some parallels from him, but I think that will be impossible to pull. So this card is really nice for some reason. I like this. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.